Okay, and in this bag is the ring light itself. And it's nice they give you a traveling bag. That's a blessing. Just in case you want to shoot videos for someone else. Okay. This is the ring light. And this is the 14-inch one. Yeah. The 14-inch one. And it comes with the screws and stuff to attach to the stand. That's pretty nice. So this is not the product review, just the unboxing. So when I get a chance to try all this stuff out, I will definitely be back to let y'all know what it do. And was it worth my money? Because that's what's most important. You always want to get your money's worth out of every purchase you make. If not, then you just wasted your money. How many of y'all can feel me on that one? Okay. So that's all for the ring lights as of right now. Okay. Now, time to open this one. Trying to cut nothing. Okay. Who likes to play with this stuff when they get packages? Okay, this is from Shiny Beauty, The Beautiful Life. I have 2 of them. Let's get it popping. What's up in here? Okay. I'm not trying to mess nothing up. This is kind of delicate. Yeah, oh, look at that. Shine bright like a diamond. Shiny Beauty. This is one of my backdrops. And this is, I don't know if you can pick up the color good, but it's like a rose color gold. Not exactly like a yellowish gold, but a rosier color type gold. And I will have the specs and everything in the description box below. Just in case y'all might want to pick y'all up some to have you a nice background when you do your videos. what I say the same thing all the time, but I be excited. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Oh, do y'all see this blue? Oh my goodness, do y'all see it? Oh, think about all kind of videos I can make in front of this blue, honey. Look at it. Yes. That is so cute. That is so cute. I think this is going to be well worth my money right here. Look at that shine. Yes. So, thank you guys for being with this Amazon unboxing for new YouTubers. Hopefully, I gave some of you some ideas on some products you can buy to make your channel better, to make it look better, and also for better production. And this is the stand for the ring light, but you definitely need good lighting for your videos, and you need to give something cute for them to be able to look at besides your beautiful face. So thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you next time.